How to say you are beautiful in Greek. You are beautiful. Είσαι όμορφη. You are beautiful. Είσαι όμορφη. Now you try. If you're speaking to a man, you would say, Είσαι όμορφος. You are beautiful. Είσαι όμορφος. Now you try. You can also say, You are gorgeous. Είσαι πανέμορφη. You are gorgeous. Είσαι πανέμορφη. Now you try. That's what you would say if you're speaking to a female. If you're speaking to a male, you would say, Είσαι πανέμορφος. You are gorgeous. Είσαι πανέμορφος. Now you try. You can also say, He is handsome. Αυτός είναι όμορφος. He is handsome. Αυτός είναι όμορφος. Now you try. You can also say, She is pretty. Αυτή είναι όμορφη. She is pretty. Αυτή είναι όμορφη. Now you try. And that's how to say, You are beautiful in Greek.